Biotechnology means bio means living organisms. Technology means techniques or applications. Techniques are utilized or implemented in the biology called biotechnology. From this biotechnology, human needed parts, human needed enzymes, human needed medicines, human needed food materials are synthesized from the using of techniques in the biology called biotechnology. So biotechnology types of biotechnology. Here is the following biotechnologies are here. First one is red biotechnology. Red biotechnology is also called medicinal biotechnology. From this red biotechnology, human needed medicines are synthesized from the using of techniques in the biology called medicinal biotechnology, and is also called red biotechnology. And the next second one is green biotechnology. Human needed food materials are synthesized by using of techniques in the biology. Human needed food materials are synthesized from the using of techniques in the biology called green biotechnology. It is also called agriculture biotechnology. Green biotechnology is also called agriculture biotechnology. And third one is white biotechnology. Human needed hormones, antibiotics, beverages. These are synthesized in the industrial levels by the using of techniques in the biology called white biotechnology. The white biotechnology is also called industrial biotechnology. And then fourth one, blue biotechnology. Coastal regions, aquatic regions, seafood, fisheries culture, aquaculture. These are used in the techniques of biology for the needed seafood for the human being called blue biotechnology. The blue biotechnology is also called marine biotechnology or aquatic biotechnology. The next one is bioinformatics. Bioinformatics mainly used in the DNA fingerprinting technology, identification of genetic codes in the criminal cases. It helps in the identification of genetic informatics by using of techniques in the biology called bioinformatics. And mining biotechnology. Mining biotechnology, it is the part of biology. It helps in the identification of coals, gases, fuels from the soil or from the earth called mining biotechnology. So these are the types of biotechnology. First one is red biotechnology called medicinal biotechnology. Second one is green biotechnology called agriculture biotechnology. White biotechnology called industrial biotechnology. Blue biotechnology called aquatic biotechnology. And bioinformatics and mining biotechnology. From these total branches, techniques are applicable in the biology, in the living things, on the living things for the human needed materials, food materials, medicines, or any other informations.